Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I've been trying out new things recently with the weather being so bad. It's getting harder to get the drone in the air. So I've been trying out new things. So when it was nice, I tried the drone in town down Bolt Street and done some slow motion stuff with it. Now, as I say, with not being able to get the drone up, I thought I'd try the same with my camera. So basically, pointed my camera out my car window and went for a drive up and down County Road in Liverpool. It's turned out interesting, the footage. You get a sense of stuff when it's slowed down. The way people walk, you pay more attention to people when they're in slow motion. You can see in shops, instead of just a fleeting glance of a shop, you can see inside some shops. You can see people in there actually moving in the shop. I found it quite interesting, to be honest. I'm going to do more stuff because to get some feedback on it. If it's stuff that you'd like to see more of, because I'm working on getting a camera with a higher frame rate, so I can really slow the action down a lot, because there's a little bit of motion blur as I'm driving past people. So it's getting that fine line of what speed I need to do for the frame rate, if you get me. But it's still turned out interesting. So I'm going to leave it there. This is day 17 of my challenge. So I need to get something online, so I've had to go out and record something. So yeah, I'll just leave this with you, and I hope people like it. If you want to see more of it, let me know. If it's not your kind of thing, again, let me know. Any feedback's good feedback, as they say. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon.